Don't fall. Hey.
Come here, sweetie. Come and meet some little ones. Meet some little ones. Meet some little ones.
Shut up, you little yakka. They could get to you, you'd be in big trouble. You know that, don't you? Yes. You'd be in big trouble if they got to you. No, you just had a bit. That's me finger. That was me finger. Not me finger.
John's English.
Two.
Come on, sweetie. Come and meet. Come and meet. I don't think she's aggressive. She's scared. She's very scared. Very timid.
Darling, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Oh, stop that. Now stop that. Yes, I know. I had food. That's my finger. It's all right. You get that stuff out of your eye. Goo-goo. That's goo-goos. You get the goo-goos out of your eyes.
Get the goo-goos
Get the goo-goos out of your eyes. She's a beautiful girl.